Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. This is Sandy for Spellbinders. So with the Spellbinders monthly card kit for September, you're going to get quite an array of choices for whatever design style you wish to go with. And lately, I've been seeing a lot of the magnolia type style of cards, and I just love that style. So what I did was I went through the paper pad, and I'm going to link you to the unboxing of that card making kit in the area underneath this video and also right up there. And what I did was I went through the papers and I went through all the ephemera to see if I can replicate some magnolia themed cards, and I'm happy to report that I was able to do that. So these are my card making ideas using the Spellbinders September 2019 monthly card kit. As you can see here, I used some of the darker papers from the paper pad, like this one right here, the tweed. I guess that's what you would call it. I don't know if it would be tweed or what, or flannel looking paper. And I paired it with the magnolia type paper, and over that I went ahead and I used some of the 3D square foams that you get, and I added this flower over here. And what I did was, see, this did not come with a flower, this was separate, so I took the sleeve and I just glued it to the back of this flower. And over here I used sentiments provided in the kit, and also some of the flat back acrylic domes that you get in the kit. And I really like the way this came out. And of course, as you can see, I made using their cards that are provided in the kit, and I just love it. So this is just one idea, and I went with another one, and let me turn this around so that you can see. And the same thing, I use this paper from the kit and I paired it with this paper from the kit, and just some ephemera here and here, and the flat back embellishments there. And I just love how it came out, so lovely. And here is another one. And I'll tell you, these cards were so quick, so easy to make, because it's a no-brainer. You just basically use your trimmer, you cut it down a size, you leave about 1/8 of an inch from the top and the bottom if you wish, and you just use, like, for example, over here, while I was working with this paper, it left me some spare papers, and I just use them in my other cards. And yeah, that's how I came up with that. And this is from the kit, and the hello is also from the kit. And this one, and oh my gosh, I can't stress enough how easy these were to make. Once again, this is leftover from this cut and this is just ephemera from the kit. This is leftover from these cuts over here, and just use some of those flat back shiny domes. I love them. And a hello sentiment. And last but not least, this one. For this one, I decided to use the frame die that is provided in the kit, and I do have a tutorial on how to put this card together using the frame dies, and I will go ahead and post that video in the next couple of days. So hit on that bell notification button so that you can be notified when this tutorial comes up. And it's very simple, as you can see, but it's pretty, and it was so super quick to make, and who doesn't like easy and quick? So these are my card making ideas using the Spellbinders card kit of the month for September 2019. Thank you all so very much for watching. I do have pictures at the end of this video, and yeah, leave me a thumbs up if you enjoy videos such as these, and I do appreciate your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can be notified each time I upload a card making idea, a mini album idea, or a tutorial. So thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.